If your hair isn't growing back after 40, this is why, and it's not your vitamins. Most women think if shedding slows, then their hair should come right back as it was before. And that's exactly why this gets really frustrating. I see this constantly in women over 40. I've treated over 1,500 women with this exact issue. Your hair may not be shedding in the way that it used to, but that does not mean that it's recovering. And what I see all the time is that the follicle, while it's still there, it's just not responding in the same way. So women start switching vitamins, oils, shampoos, and while those things can support your hair, they do not fix what is changing. At the follicle level and scalp level, something has changed, and these things do not address what has changed in the scalp and the follicle. When I assess a menopausal patient, I look at follicle health, sebum production, and the protein levels in the scalp. These are all things that a shampoo can't fix. Peptides, which are the foundation of my approach, are great because they act as messengers. The peptides act as messengers and they help support the scalp health. They signal the follicles and they can produce stronger hair over time. And that's why this is different from just trying another product. That's why I don't look at menopausal hair loss as just a topical problem with an easy topical solution, because it's not. I'm looking at how hormones, nutrition, and the overall health of the patient are affecting the follicle. If you're dealing with hair loss and you want to understand what really may be causing or driving that hair loss, you can book a virtual menopause hair loss consultation with me. The link is in the description below. I'll see you next time.